A huge trend in today's content creation is taking your digital footage and making it look like it was shot on a Super 8mm film camera. Why are we looking forwards when we could always look backwards? Welcome back to the channel, everyone. My name is Corey. Today we're talking about the Super 8mm film camera, all within Premiere Pro. It's a pretty simple effect if you just follow these 5 easy steps. Let's get into it. One of the artifacts of Super 8mm film is this red edge glow called halation, which is the spreading of light beyond its proper boundaries to form a fog around the edges of a bright image. So the first step in making your digital footage look vintage, we're gonna have to recreate this. We'll start by duplicating your original clip and putting it above it. Use the channel blur effect located in your effects folder under blur and sharpen. Place it on the top clip, change the red blurriness to around 35, and make sure you check the edge behavior box. Set the blend mode to lighten, which is found in the effect controls of the clip. Next, we'll have to change the frame rate. Create an adjustment layer above your clips and apply the posterize time effect found in your effects folder under stylize. Change the frame rate to 16. On the same adjustment layer, go to your Lumetri color and under creative adjustments, turn your sharpen down to -50. Let's talk color correction. It all depends which film you're trying to emulate, but here's what I recommend for a great result. We need contrast, so bring your black and white points inward using the curves. Next, we'll lift the red in the shadows. Slightly boost the green in the midtones. And lastly, slightly boost the blues in the highlights. The next and final step, we want to add some overlays to really help tie this look together with frame, grain, and film burns. If you look down in the description, I posted a link to some free assets. There's also plenty of high quality ones for purchase online, so if you just look around, there's a lot of great options. Import the frame, grain, and film burn. We will first apply the grain, set your blending mode to screen. Next, apply the film burn. Play around with the blending mode to which works best on the clip. Finally, we'll apply the frame and set the blending mode to multiply. And look at that. Now you've turned your digital footage into a Super 8mm camera. If you enjoyed or learned something new from this tutorial, please like, comment, and subscribe, as I'll be posting more tutorials in the future. I'll catch you in the next one.